Tahitian breakfast, Dewy Collagen face primer. Ooh.
And what do we say when we get to work? I want to go home. No, we say hello to our coworkers, and then what do? We say goodbye. Why? Because I want to go home. No, then we do what we're getting paid to do, and then what? We go home. Oh my god.
This Dewy Collagen face primer, I actually like. It says a dew of the gods in the back here, but I like it because check this out. So when you put it on, it runs like almost like it has an oil in it. It's super soft and super silky, right? But then it dries down, and look, it has some texture to it. Look at that. You see a little, it's like I feel like I put a balm on my face, a light balm, which is great because it's going to hydrate my skin and my makeup's going to stick to it. Just look at how the makeup looks on top of it with the concealer right here. This is so nice. I will say that when you're putting it on the face and working it in, it smells like bananas. So I actually kind of enjoy it. But the fact that it has collagen in it is a plus for me, especially with how old my skin is. I don't want it to age anymore. And the fact that this has collagen is amazing. This is amazing.